Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you best free FM internet radio app for any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as FM Internet Radio Pulse Web. On the first list, you will see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you can see two options, press setup, or if you have already been using it, then you can restore from backup also. So just click on this press setup. Now select your respective country, and now you can select your respective radio station languages also. So I'll just keep it as it is right now. Click on next. So you can select your respective FM radio available on your respective country. Now just click on finish. Now you can click on the respective FM radio station in order to play it. So let us check if it really gonna work or not. So let me click on the respective FM radio station. So you can hear the sound right now. It's working perfectly. And below there is a search option. You can search the respective radio stations globally also. You can select the country wise, you can select the language, or you can select the genre option also depending upon your needs. And next option is the settings. So you can set it the sleep timer, appearance, radio directory preference, and you can backup and restore also from this option. So these are the options you're gonna get inside these applications. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free FM internet radio app for any Android smartphones and tablets that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.